Hello children. Children, in the last session we have completed the last lesson from your English textbook New Voices. And which was that lesson? Come on, tell me. Yes, the big enormous turnip. That was the last lesson from your English textbook. Now today it's revision time. Now why it's revision time? Because you will be having SA2 exam very soon. And the portion for the SA2 exam for subject English is lesson number 10, Who Will Bail the Cat? Poem number 11, No Pencil. Lesson number 12, Elves and the Shoemaker. And the lesson number 14, The Big Enormous Turnip. So children, this is the portion for new voices. Okay. Now let us revise some multiple choice questions based on this portion. Okay. Then we are going to revise some multiple choice questions from two compositions, Christmas and a Parrot. So these two compositions are also included in your English portion. Okay. So let us start. Multiple choice questions. A. Tick the correct answer. Question number 1. The mice were dash of the cat. Let's read the options. A. Scared, B. Angry, and C. Close. The mice were scared of the cat. So the correct answer is A. Scared. So let's tick the correct answer, A. Scared. Okay. Now question number 2. The mice lived in a big dash. Given options are A. Hut, B. Garden, C. House. The mice lived in a big house. Yes. So correct answer is house. So let's tick the correct answer, C. House. Okay. Now question number 3. Who gave the new idea? Who gave the new idea? Now children, which is this lesson? Can you tell me which is this lesson? Who will bail the cat? The title of the lesson is Who Will Bail the Cat? In this lesson, who gave the new idea to bail the cat snake? Who gave this idea? Let's read the options. A. Cat, B. Little mouse, and C. Dog. And the correct answer is Little mouse. Yes. So tick the correct answer, B. Little mouse. Now question number 4. Did the mice carry out the idea in the end? Given options are A. Yes, B. No. And the correct answer is no, because no one was ready, not a single mouse was ready to bail the cat. Yes. So correct answer is no. So tick it. B. No. Okay. Now next question, question number 5. Choose the words which mean the same thing. A. Right, correct. B. Sad, little. C. Small, large. Now here we have to choose the words which have same meaning. Okay, which mean the same thing, means which have same meaning. Now right and correct. Then sad and little. Sad and little, do they have same meaning? No. Small and large, do they have same meaning? Small, large? No. Then right and correct. These two words have same meaning. Okay, so let's correct the or tick the correct answer. A. Right, correct. Your answer is right or your answer is correct. Same meaning. Question number 6. Rhyming word for bread, bread is dash. Given options are A. bring, bring, and B. tread, trade. Now children, here you have to choose the correct rhyming word for given word bread. Bread and bring or bread and trade? Yes, it's trade. Correct answer is tread, trade. So tick the correct answer. B. Trade. Now question number 7. Rhyming word for bought is. Given options are A. fought, fought, and B. buy, buy. Now children, here you have to choose the correct rhyming word for the given word bought. Bought, fought, or bought, buy. Which is the correct rhyming word? Bought, fought. Yes. So correct answer is A. fought, fought. So tick the correct answer. Now question number 8. The child's dash takes away his things. Given options are A. Father, B. Mother, C. Sister. Now children, you know the poem No Pencil very well. In that poem, the child's mother takes away his things. So the correct answer is mother. So tick the correct answer. B. Mother. Question number 9. The child did not have any dash paint. Given options are A. Brown, B. Grey, and C. Pink. Now the correct answer is pink. For this you have to learn the poem by heart so that you can solve the questions very easily. Okay. So the child did not have any pink paint. So tick the correct answer, C. Pink. Question number 10. Dash is a root vegetable. A. Spinach, B. Turnip, and C. Brinjal. Now children, you know turnip is a root vegetable. Yes. So tick the correct answer, B. Turnip. Now question number 11. Choose the meaning of QUIETLY quietly. Given options are A. Odd or new, B. Without making noise, and C. Very happy. Now children, what is the meaning of quietly? Without making noise. Yes, the meaning of quietly is without making noise. So tick the correct answer. B. Without making noise. Okay. Now question number 12. Add ed to the given word play play plus ed. Okay, so the given word is play and you have to add ed to that word. Then which word will become? Which is the word? Which word will form after adding ed to the play? Let's read the options. A. PLAYED played. B. PLANTED planted. And C. WANTED wanted. Now children, play plus ed, it's played. Which word will form? Played. PLAYED. So correct answer is A. Played. So tick it. Question number 13. The shoemaker made dash shoes. Given options are A. Leather, B. Cloth, and C. Dirty. The shoemaker made which shoes? Cloth shoes? No. Dirty shoes? No. Then leather shoes. Yes. The correct answer is leather. So tick the correct answer. A. Leather. Very good. Question number 14. The shoes were on his dash. A. Bed, B. Kitchen, C. Bench. The shoes were on his bench. Yes. The correct answer is bench. C. Bench. So tick it. Now question number 15. The quality of the shoes was dash. A. Dirty, B. Bad, C. Good. The quality of the shoes was good. Yes. The correct answer is good. So take the correct answer. C. Good. Question number 16. Did the big enormous turnip come up at the end? Given options are A. Yes, B. No. Yes, the big enormous turnip came up at the end. How? Because the old man, the old woman, granddaughter, dog, cat and mouse, they all together pulled the big enormous turnip out at the end. So the correct answer is yes. So tick the correct answer. A. Yes. Question number 17. The dog asked the dash for help. Given options are A. Old man, B. Mouse, C. Cat. The dog asked the cat for help. Yes. Very good, children. Correct answer is C, cat. So tick it. Question number 18. The turnip grew sweet, strong, big and dash. Given options are A, large, B, enormous and C, round. The turnip grew sweet, strong, big and enormous. Yes. So the correct answer is enormous. B, enormous. Yes. Question number 19. The granddaughter pulled the old woman and the old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the dash. Given options are A, dog, B, cat, C, turnip. Come on children, tell me the correct answer. It's turnip. Yes, granddaughter pulled the old woman, then old woman pulled the old man and the old man pulled the turnip. So tick the correct answer C, turnip. Question number 20. Could the old man, old woman, granddaughter, dog and cat together pull the turnip up? Given options are A, yes, B, no. Now children, here you have to think. Think for a while. Could the old man, old woman, granddaughter, dog and cat, they together pull the turnip up? No, because mouse is missing in this team. Am I right children? Yes. When mouse also join to them, then only they pull the turnip up at the end. So as the mouse is missing here, the answer is no. Tick the correct answer B, no. Question number 21. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of dash. Now this question is based on the composition. Okay. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of dash. Given options are A, January, B, December and C, March. So all of you know Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. So tick the correct answer B, December. Question number 22. On Christmas Day, they decorate dash tree. They means Christians. A, mango, B, Christmas, C, neem. They decorate Christmas tree. Yes. So tick the correct answer B, Christmas. Question number 23. Parrot is a dash bird. Now this question is based on the composition a parrot. Given options are A, beautiful, B, ugly, C, used. Parrot is a beautiful bird. So the correct answer is beautiful. So tick A, beautiful. Let me tick it nicely. A, beautiful. Parrot is a beautiful bird. Question number 24. Parrot likes to eat dash. A. Ice cream. B. Chilies. C. Rice. Parrot likes to eat chilies. We like to eat ice cream. Am I right, children? We like to eat ice cream, while parrot likes to eat chilies. So correct answer is chilies. Tick the correct answer. B. Chilies. Question number 25. Parrots can dash human voices. Given options are A. Imitate, B. Draw, C. See. Now parrots can imitate human voices. The correct answer is A. Imitate. Okay. So children, here the multiple choice questions for the revision are finished. You do the revision of these questions and answers again and again. Then also read the lessons from the textbook. Okay. And do the textbook work of these lessons which are for in the portion for Essay 2 exam. So do the textbook work of these lessons and learn the questions and answers by heart from the notebook also. Okay children, and do the best in your all papers. All the best. Keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.